All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader advocate Davinder Behl has said that Indian agencies trained by the ruling party under the leadership of Narendra Modi have not only targeted the people of the occupied territory but are also involved in terrorist activities on a large scale in the neighbouring countries. Behl, in a statement in Jammu, said it is the responsibility of international community to take action against India in the light of these evidences. All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Khadim Hussain and Sibte Shabir Kummi have described the new rules and regulations regarding the leasing of the land of the territory by Indian authorities as another colonialistic tactic. Khadim Hussain and Sayyid Sibte Shabir Kummi, in a joint statement issued in Srinagar, said that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government had taken another anti-Kashmir measure and implemented the Jammu and Kashmir land grant rules 2022 with the sole purpose of stopping Kashmiris from using their own land. Massive protests were held against the killing of two locals outside the Indian Army camp in Rajouri district. The two locals, identified as Kamal Kumar and Surinder Kumar with bullet marks, were killed by Indian Army troops outside the Indian Army camp along the Poonch-Rajouri highway of the district on Friday morning. People of the area assembled on the spot and started protests against the incident, which happened near Alaf Gate of the army camp. The protesters demanded probe into the incident. Hoteliers in Gulmarg have been worried since the authorities came up with a notification ordering the outgoing leases to immediately hand over the possession of the leased land to the authorities. According to Kashmir Media Service, a group of businessmen, including hoteliers, met Sheikh Ashik, president of the Kashmir Chamber of Commerce and Industry, over the issue. They said hotels in Gulmarg and Pahalgam were the most affected by the decision. Convener of All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, has said that Delhi-controlled state investigation agency sleuths raided the houses of Hurriyat leaders, human rights activists, defenders, journalists, and even harassed the ordinary people in the occupied Kashmir. Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said fascist Indian government had used probe agencies like National Investigation Agency, State Investigation Agency, and Enforcement Directorate as weapons to harass the Kashmiris.